really with father.
I'm not the person to ask about it truthfully because I was just too young to remember. I mean, look, I'm not the only kid island. Dad was.
It had to be traumatic.
No, not me, bro. Not for me. Away.
Go away. That's great.
You guys want a drink?
Run away
They don't want
from
to drink.
responsibility and life.
This is kind of unique. This is not
When is that happening?
boys.
Really disrespectful.
That's great.
Do you guys want a drink?
Run away
They don't
from
want to-
responsibility and life.
This is unique. This is norm. So
When is that happening?
what? Don't make noise. Cody.
Really disrespectful.
Away.
To go away. That's
Do you guys drink?
Gotta run away
They
from
want to drink.
responsibility and life.
This is unique. This is not norm. So don't make that noise. Cody.
Disrespectful.
Norm. So
When is this not
don't make that noise. Cody.
Disrespectful. I would never do that.
away?
To go away. That's great.
You guys want a drink?
Away
They
from
don't want-
responsibility and life.
This is not norm. So
Not happening.
make Cody
It's really disrespectful. Would do
the norm. So
When is this not happening?
what? Don't make that noise. Cody.
really disrespectful. I'd never do that.